Hey, welcome to Business Uncomplicated. Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to continue our series on tools, and today we want to talk about how to select the right tool for your business. So, tools are a critical part of how we're going to scale our business and how we're going to be successful. As plumbers, construction workers, if you don't have the right tool, you can't build the house, you can't fix the plumbing, right? So, you're going to need the right tools to get the job done. So, how do you pick which tools are right for your business? So, the first thing we talk about a lot is goal setting, but we want to talk about it in a different way today. We're going to talk about what's the bottleneck. Again, what problem are you trying to solve in your business? Because a lot of times the problem you have could be solved by a tool. So, let's identify the bottleneck, let's determine what problem we're solving, and let's figure out where the area of concern is. Is it an area that you're spending too much time in? So it's an admin concern? Is it because you don't have enough information, or you're using information from multiple places, so you need to consolidate that information for better reporting? Identify the problem. The next thing is then you want to go to a vendor selection. Don't pick the first tool you see with the fancy features and widgets. Do some analysis. Pick 3 or 4 tools and compare them. Compare them on features, functionality, price, and ease of use. Also, integration. Does it integrate potentially with other tools you have in your stack? So once you've identified the problem, then you can easily compare features. Now, when you compare features, there are going to be features that you have to pay for that are going to be extra. Don't pay for them if you're not going to use them. If they're part of what you would pay for and use, great, added benefit. If not, don't buy more than you need. Finally, always try before you buy. If there's a demo, get the demo, ask your questions, but see if you can try it first. Being able to try and touch and feel the software actually gives you a better perspective on how it will work when you're in your business. And then you can make a better informed decision. There are lots of complexities when figuring out which tool to buy, but if you take a methodical approach, you'll always wind up on the more positive side of it. Tools are expensive. They're mostly per month. You can pay yearly and you get a cheaper rate. But you want to make sure that before you make that purchase, the tool supports your organizational growth, it makes you more efficient, and it helps you scale your business. Continue to follow the channel for more. We'll continue this series all week. We'd love to talk to you if you'd like to learn more about what we do, and we'd love to learn more about what you do. So please feel free to reach out. Thanks.